Alright, YouTube, I'm giving you a full tour. Look at the murals. I'm giving you a full tour forward now, so you can see all the things that you probably get to see in the other video. So you can see how lovely laid out the decoration is. How that this leads out into the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. Because I didn't get a chance to show y'all guys the kitchen. Here's the layout of the kitchen. Humongous kitchen. All brand new appliances come with it. You got the marble just off the chart. So I'm just going to take you around real quickly and just give you a tour of it. So that all the things you couldn't see because I was talking to you in the film, you get to see right here. So just bear with me and walk with me. You get about a 10 to 12 foot wall high. So I can show it to y'all guys and everything. So here's an office space. You can make this your media room. However you choose to. Whatever floats your boat, but this house here is really saying something. So we're working on getting the document. As you can see, they brought the greenery in the inside. Look at this. They brought the greenery in the inside. And as you go upstairs, they got a lot of skylights up in the ceiling. Just check out the skylights up in the ceiling. And as we walk on around the stairs here, and we're going up the stairs, off to your right, here's another enormous room. Very huge. And go to the corner, there's a bathroom. Here's a bathroom. The toilet, here's a shower. So we go home and we make another right. Here's another room. All has the built-in wall Wi-Fi so that you can already get your internet. Here's a great closet. Here, you know what that is, a toilet and a shower. So I'm heading on down the hallway. But I just have to get another view over this here. So you can see. Off the master bedroom and overlooking the master bedroom, here's a patio. You can sit out here and have coffee, sit out here and read a book or whatever the case may be. It's overlooking the pool. Huge home. As I make a left and walk down here, here's another room and another bathroom. we're very much consider buying this home right here. We're in the home buying state right now. So I try to make sure that whatever I do, I try to make sure that I always, when I'm going to place, I try to make sure that I have a place stabilized for me and my family. So we out today. We're home shopping, and I want to take y'all guys along on this tour, just to let y'all see a lot of things that I see. As you can see right here, this is one of the bedrooms right here. That's off the living room. No, the bathroom. Sorry about that. The bathroom is off the living room. Here's the living room, and it's very, very beautiful. You can also see that this house has about, I think, approximately about 4 bedrooms and about approximately 4 baths. I'm taking you to the outside here so I can give y'all guys a tour of the outside and let y'all look at all the beautiful things. Just look at the greenery for the scenery and the pool behind me. They haven't filled it with water. They said that as soon as we write up the contract and everything, we decide to buy this one here, they would fill it with water for us. So I just want to give y'all a tour what we are looking into for us buying the home. And also, as you can see, beautiful marble, thick marble table here, as you can see. Also, we're going to head upstairs. We're going to head upstairs so that y'all guys can see how the stairs is. It's actually a 2-story home. Very lovely, beautiful, very spacious. Approximately, probably about, they say approximately 3,200 square feet. So I'm just taking you into a lot of the rooms and just letting y'all guys see that how tall the doors and things is, and how that it comes very fully equipped with everything you need. The shower, your sinks and your toilets. Also, I want y'all guys to see that this is a very, very huge home. This also is the office space. Right over here is the office space. And if you keep walking down the hallway, this is another entrance to a bathroom, as you can see, and a shower behind me. As I go to the other room, here is another bedroom. It also comes with a maid quarter, and also it comes with a full washing and dry hook up on the outside. As you can see right here, here's the master bedroom. Very large, very huge. Look at the lights up there in the corner. This is a very unique home. Right off to the right here, this is the master bath. As you can see, 2 sinks, big huge shower and everything. So, and an enormous closet. So, what it is, YouTube family, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a second video on this home because I want to let y'all see all the inside of it. I just want y'all guys just to look and see what I see. But I'm just going to give it a walkthrough. Here's another room over here. As you can see, it's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath. With enormous bathroom and showers. Here's some more parts of it. I'm about to go around here and show y'all guys the maid quarter. I'll show you the dry hookup. Okay, you enter back here, and you make a right and go upstairs. Here's the maid quarter. Right here. If you decide you want to get a maid, even if you want to make it a guest room, you can do that because here's a toilet sink and here's a shower as well. So very, very huge. And here is the wash and dry connection. YouTube, this is what your boy Dr. R doing today. So subscribe and like and leave your comments in the section below. And we'll get back with you. Also, just think about all the beautiful things you can do with your life and what you can do. Get something that works for you. Find a place in life that works for you. Also, if you decide you want to be a part of Gang, you got my Patreon. It will be in the description. Below it also will be at the end of the video as well. And you have my cash app if you decide you want to donate. It's all left up to you. But either way it goes, your boy Dr. R is out house shopping and I must buy, because this is all amazing. Subscribe, like, and leave your comments in the section below. I YouTube. It's a beautiful kitchen. Got all the beautiful granite. Look at all the beautiful. Look how thick it is. Dining room table. All the beautiful connection AC units and things of that sort. Inside greenery.
How do you say beautiful in Spanish?
In Spanish, you would say hermosa. In its feminine
Hermosa.
form, hermosa. It's masculine.